Assembly instructions. Countersink the hole so the cruise head sits flush and won't obstruct. Next, screw in the fastening clips. Then install the frame into the clips. Leave the transformer in the false ceiling, however it is important that the unit be accessible. Next you will connect the transformer and the lighting frame through the terminal. Warning! No more than 4 by 2 meter light sets can be mounted on the same 200 watt transformer.